Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're a teenager looking to make some money online, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we'll be sharing some awesome and practical ways for you to earn money from the comfort of your home. Whether you're saving up for something special or just want some extra cash, these ideas are perfect for you. Let's dive in. 1. Freelance services. One great way for teens to make money online is by offering freelance services. Do you have a talent for writing, graphic design, or social media management? Websites like Upwork and Fiverr are fantastic platforms where you can showcase your skills and find clients looking for your expertise. It's a win-win. You get paid for doing what you love, and your clients get quality work. 2. Online tutoring. If you excel in a particular subject or skill, online tutoring is an excellent option. Websites like Tutor.com and Chegg Tutors allow you to connect with students who need help with their studies. Whether it's math, science, or language arts, sharing your knowledge can be both fulfilling and profitable. 3. Content creation. Are you passionate about creating content? Platforms like YouTube and TikTok can be great for sharing your creativity. Monetize your channel through ads, sponsorships, or merchandise. Consistency and quality content are key, so make sure to choose a niche you're passionate about. 4. Selling products online. Another way to make money is by selling products online. You can start a small e-commerce business by selling items on platforms like Etsy, eBay, or even creating your own online store. Whether it's handmade crafts, vintage finds, or dropshipping products, there's something for everyone. 5. Participate in online surveys and market research. While this may not make you rich overnight, participating in online surveys and market research panels can still earn you some extra pocket money. Websites like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie pay you for sharing your opinions on various topics. There you have it, folks, some fantastic ways for teens to make money online. Remember, it's essential to stay safe, manage your time wisely, and always get your parents' or guardians' permission when necessary. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your online money-making journey.